Welcome to the Investor Insight Show. I'm your host, Scott Dillingham. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the best financing options for commercial real estate. Now, it's easy to go to your bank, right? Because they have all of your products there and to get qualified. Although I don't think that is the best idea. We are a broker, like we have access to many different lenders. We're part of a team here at LendCity, and we have a dedicated commercial team. Now, what makes them different is they know all the lenders' policies. And I'll give you a policy right now. There's a major bank that when they're running your cash flow analysis, they're looking at a 1.2 on the debt coverage ratio. So that means they're looking for like a 20% profit. And if you don't have that, they won't move forward. But there's other lenders, even credit unions, who just look for a 1 on the debt coverage ratio. So they're just looking for the property to cover its expenses. So there's a stark difference in the amount of approval that the major bank will offer you compared to the credit union. And I'm not going to dive into the lenders' names or anything here. We never do that. You'd have to speak to someone in the commercial department and get an idea of the property and that type of thing. But there's so many different ways to qualify an application. Some of the lenders on commercial use the stress test. Some of them do not use the stress test. Some of them use CMHC, so you can insure a property up to a 50-year amortization, where some of them don't, and the max is 25 years, right? So there's a stark difference between these types of lenders. So working with an experienced commercial team who can structure these properties for you correctly, and it doesn't matter if it's retail, if it's industrial, if it's multifamily, right? We have lenders that specialize in each one: storage facilities, gas, marijuana retail stores, right? Like we've done a whole bunch of these different ones. But just by knowing that ultimately going to a broker, they'll be able to source the right lender with potentially the best rates for you. We believe that that is the best way to maximize your investing profits in your next venture. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. If you want to chat with somebody in the commercial team, just give us a call. It's 519-960-0370. And then also, if you look down below, there's a bunch of links. The first link will be to an article which has a lot more details on this topic. And the other links are free investor tools and resources for you. Enjoy.